Let's make your output look amazing with Python's formatting tools. Today we're becoming output artists. We'll master 3 powerful formatting techniques: comma separation for quick results, string concatenation for precise control, and F-strings for ultimate power and clarity. By the end, you'll know exactly which method to use in every situation. Let's make your output shine. When we combine text and numbers in output, we want it to look professional and be easy to read. Good formatting is what separates beginner programs from polished applications. It's the difference between messy text and beautiful displays. Python gives us 3 powerful tools for formatting output. Think of them as 3 different brushes for painting with text. Each has its strengths, and knowing when to use each one makes you a formatting master. Method 1. Comma separation. This is the simplest approach. Just separate your items with commas in the print function. Python automatically adds spaces between each item. It's quick, easy, and perfect for basic output. The beautiful thing about comma separation is that Python does the spacing for you. No need to worry about adding spaces manually. Python handles it all automatically. Method 2. String concatenation with the plus operator. This joins strings together like connecting puzzle pieces. Notice how we manually add spaces where we want them. This gives us precise control over every character in our output. But watch out for the concatenation trap. You can only add strings to strings. If you try to add text and numbers directly, Python gets confused. The solution? Convert numbers to strings first using our friend str. Here's the error in action. Python can't add text and numbers together. It doesn't know if you want math or text joining. The fix is simple. Use str to convert the number to text first. Now, concatenation works perfectly. Now for the star of the show, F-strings. This is the modern, powerful way that professional Python programmers format strings. Just put the letter F before your string and use curly braces to insert variables and expressions directly into the text. Look at this F-string magic. We put variables inside curly braces right where we want them in the text. Python automatically converts numbers to strings and inserts everything perfectly. It's like having placeholders that get filled in automatically. But wait, there's more! F-strings have a superpower. You can do calculations right inside the curly braces. It's like having a mini calculator inside your text. Amazing! We can add 10 to the score right inside the F-string, or multiply by 2 for double points. The calculation happens automatically, and the result gets inserted into our text. This is programming elegance at its finest. Let's compare all 3 methods side by side. Comma separation is quickest for simple output. String concatenation gives precise control but requires manual conversion. F-strings offer the best of both worlds: easy to read, automatic conversion, and calculation power. It's clear why most programmers choose F-strings. Here's a real-world example showing all 3 methods with the same data. Notice how comma separation is quick but basic. Concatenation requires str conversion and lots of plus signs. But F-strings read like natural language while handling all the technical details automatically. Beautiful and powerful. So which method should you choose? Use commas for quick output when you just need to display values fast. Use concatenation when you're building strings piece by piece over multiple lines. But for most situations, F-strings are your best friend. They're clear, powerful, and easy to read. Challenge time. What will this F-string display? Look carefully at the variables and the calculation inside the curly braces. Perfect. The F-string inserts 3 for quantity, notebooks for item with an S added, and calculates 45 times 3 equals 135 for the total cost. F-strings make complex output look simple. Let's build a complete professional calculator using our formatting skills. We get 2 numbers from the user, calculate results, then display everything beautifully with F-strings. Notice how clean and readable the output formatting is. This is what professional programs look like. Absolutely brilliant. You've mastered the art of beautiful output formatting. What an incredible journey through string formatting. We mastered comma separation for quick displays, string concatenation for precise control, and F-strings for powerful, readable formatting. We discovered that F-strings can even do calculations inside their curly braces. Most importantly, we learned to choose the right tool for each situation. You can now create output that looks professional and polished. Next, we'll wrap up everything we've learned this week,